What's up, YouTube? It's Webull. I'm back with another video. It's been 3 weeks since the last upload. I know. I'm sorry. I really want to just make a detailed video on how I make images and just different designs for t-shirts, or if it's just a video or picture post. I'll show you how I make these little images. I use this software called Leonardo AI, and it's free. It's free. It's like the best image generation like software, like for content creators, or like you want to do little story time videos, little ebooks. You can make pictures using this software, and it's free. Like I said, it's free. You get a certain amount of tokens when you start off. You get like 3,000, I think, but I bought the $11 a month. I think that's what I got. But so I got 8,000 coins to use to make pictures. So I'm about to start the screen recording so you can see what I'm talking about. So 3, 2, 1. I just fucked up with my fingers, but okay, here's the screen recording. So you see right here, the text box I got, like, it's set up a certain way. I just typed in something random, like back view of Gandalf wizard smoking cigar, floating in the middle of the air. Some of them didn't do it floating in the middle of the air, but some you can see did. See, I like this one right here. This jump crazy. I might do something with this one right here. I don't know exactly what yet. Probably gonna go on a shirt, but it makes pictures like these. Like, you see the let me see, these the keywords that you enter to put what you want to see. Boom. Here's some more. Alien smoking cigar face portrait. See, if you want a face portrait, straight up image, like a picture of a person looking at you, just put the portrait. And then you want a white background, you put white background right here. And then just whatever you want to make. But I'm gonna show y'all everything else that I made too. Well, here's the home page of everybody else's creations. Pretty realistic right here, like this photo real joint right here. You could do those when you make when you buy the upgraded package. I'm not gonna lie, it costs like $10 a month, like I said. But if you really get into deep photo editing and you want to do this every day, you could buy that and make it photo real right here on the side. Alchemy beta. I'm not really too enhanced in, I'm not officially a professional using this app, but I know what I would do, and like I know what I'm doing and how I want to make stuff. But here's the prompts list right here. You know what I'm saying? I got this from some video. I forgot where I got it from, but here's some prompts that you could use. So say, let me see. What does this turn into? Oh shit. You just get that, please. Thank you. Come back over here. Put that at the top. See what we get. And then I'm doing it photo real. Wait, I don't know. Yeah, I'm doing it photo real too. So let's see if it turns into like a real wildlife rather. It says cartoon, so it might not be a good mix using photo real. Let's see what we get. I'm trying not to do too much editing on this video. Ooh, okay. See what I'm saying? You run a pet page on Instagram, a theme page. You can post pictures like these. Just cute little animal pictures like that and junk, stuff like that. Let me see a photorealistic portrait of a young woman with long flowing hair, wearing a white dress and standing in a field of flowers. See how that go. I said you could do this for your own things too, like use these prompts. Just random things that you would want to use. Just random keywords, anything. Like literally, you could turn Captain America into a cat or a lion. Like, I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna do that. I know my talking's all over the place, but I'm just talking to you like how I would talk to my friends, because I'm not trying to do too much editing on this video. So I'm just giving y'all a little detailed rundown, like how you could make some custom images, stuff like that. There's different photo input dimensions on the side right here. You make it however you want. Image to image, really. So say if I download this image right here, put it right here, and then you do image to image and you generate again, it's gonna be, like, you use different keywords, it's gonna be a different person, I guess, different phase of how it looks. I'm not really too sure of that, but you see how it looks photo real, like it is, like I said, standing in the field. But yeah, this could get dangerous. Like, this could get really dangerous. You could fool so many people. Like, people probably already getting fooled by these AI images and stuff like that, and all these scams. But I wouldn't recommend using AI images in that way. So don't scam. That's my advice. Don't scam. Because karma is real, in my opinion. But you see all these junks, like, it creates pretty much what you want to see. I'll go down more, show y'all everything that I made. Made these little images for a story on the page I do, Faceless channel, Faceless Instagram page. I mean, so you make images like this, make story videos, and then you go to CapCuts. Down here I got CapCut, so you can use any video editor, but like I said, I use CapCut. You could turn these images, basically make them move a little bit with the transitions and effects you could use on there. I tried to make Peaky Blinders, Thomas Shelby right here, but you know, it don't really make it exactly like that, I guess. But you gotta, but you gotta put the prompt details in, right? See, this is that, but not really too detailed. I probably could put Cillian Murphy right there, made it a little bit more realistic. But here's the cartoon version of it right here. So, you know what I'm saying, black people for photorealistic portraits. I did a little African why black people are important type video short. It's kind of doing good on Facebook right now. And these type of pictures right here, these are the ones. I'm trying to turn these into like let me show I'm still recording. Am I recording? Yeah, okay. But these pictures right here are the ones. These really could make you money, like when it comes to motivation, or just you could make a history page or anything like that. Just make these images like that. So I'm gonna probably try to do some of these images too. I fuck with these. I made these into a real, basically stuff like this, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's detailed art. Like, let me show y'all the prompts. Stoic philosopher, direct face portrait, and you put the name of the philosopher, or whoever you want to see. You know what I'm saying? Then I use the alchemy pipeline thing right here. You know what I'm saying? That's the alchemy right here on the side when you go to the image generation, alchemy beta. You know what I'm saying? But basically, you know what I mean? You just make what you want to make. Just that simple. I'm gonna put a link down to use this in the comments. It's gonna be out in the comments or description, 1 and 2, blah blah blah. But it just sign up. Let me show y'all. I might be already signed it. Nope. So say you have the launch app. I don't know how it goes, but let me see. Create an account. Oh shit, I can't. I already made one. When you go to this right here, this sign up page, you just create an account. It might ask you for your Discord and stuff like that. But I forgot how the sign up process goes. You could watch another YouTube video on that. But just really, this video meant just to show you what I made and how you can make it really. So basically, you just go to AI image generation. You type what you want. So like I said earlier, you could do Captain America. Hold on. Lion that looks. Excuse my typing. I know I'm slow right now. I got it on photo reel too, so it might make it look crazy. But I'm gonna take photo reel off. And see what it looks like after that. Let it generate this Captain America lion real quick for y'all. Let me see if I'm still recording. Yes, I am. How many minutes we in? Oh shit.
High quality TV. Exports.
My bad. 25 seconds. Like I said, it could take long depending on what you type in and stuff like that. See, okay, boom, that's fire. Captain America, Lion type stuff. Then I'm gonna do one without the photo reel so it don't look photo real. See how that go. I'm trying to make sure this is still running because sometimes it gets wicked and run out of storage. So there we are, still recording. I'm just giving this raw to y'all right now. No too much editing, not too much editing, you know what I'm saying? I just want to make these videos as real as possible as I can for y'all. Instead of like doing all these flashy screens. Oh, how to do this, how to do that. You know what I'm saying? How everybody really sees YouTube videos. But here's a one that's not too photorealistic, so it look more cartoonish. And it's still fire. So you could make Instagram pages, YouTube channels, videos, and stuff like that on videos. I mean, on these pictures like that. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, a rhino that looks like the Hulk. Try to give it some more detail. A Marvel character. See how that turned out. Then we could do one. We could do someone like DC, like Superman or Wonder Woman or what? Black Beetle. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how this turned out. I'm probably gonna make this the last image generation, and then end off the video here. So you know what I'm saying, the Hulk, that look, a rhino that look like the Hulk. That shit fire. So you can make different images, like different variants of like what you want to see. You got the number of images you can make over here. So I got it selected on 4, so it pops up 4 in the boxes like this. But you could do 2, 3, blah blah, stuff like that. And then here's all the customizations on the side. Different. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all the different models you can go into too. So right now I'm using Dream Shaper. I think that's the best one to make images like these. But you got Crypto. See how that look right there? Absolute. That's that right there. Leonardo. RPG. Some of them got the images right here, like Stable Diffusion is just that model. Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion. And you can select custom models down here. You can go to people on the platform, like you've seen the first one on the landing page. You can get the inspiration from that, or however you want to do it. Sorted by oldest, newest, name, category, everything like that. So just make whatever you want, bro. That's what I like about this. See all this art right here, Crypto Dreams. Let's see something. Let's see what this look like with the Crypto Dreams. Crypto Hulk Rhino. So you can make these into like little cartoons and stuff. Animate this. Let me show y'all what I mean. Let me do it real quick. I'll do it real quick. Upscale the image. How long we in right now? We in for 12 minutes. Gee. I wanted this video to be like 5 minutes. Time flies too fast. Just trying to do this real quick so I can show y'all what I mean. Throw it on the track, right? Then transition. Let's say, cut it. Cut it. Cut it. And cut it. And then the transition is when you throw it on in right here. Boom. Okay. And then you could throw another one in shape too. You can go back and forth. That's how I do it a little bit. Go back and forth between them. You see how this go? Let me see. Let me see how this go. You can't throw it right there. How did that? Oh yeah, you gotta animate it a little bit. Fall in. Boom. Is he gonna go? So it's kind of weird, but you get the gist of what I'm saying. Like you make the images move a little bit more with the transition. this is the most trashiest transition edit I've made right here. But it's just the example. Like, you see how I move down in between. So if you did this one right here, you make it look like he's stomping or something like that. Make it look like he's stomping. That's cool. You know what I'm saying? The effects up here. I'm gonna go to my favorite ones. I got use spark. Put the spark all the way through. You know what I'm saying? You can change the speed of the spark, make it slower. Lower the atmosphere to like to 90. Well, I meant to do 90. Slow it down a little bit. Make the spark just fly off. It's just an example. Here's the fall. See how that look. You can lower the atmosphere on the fall to like 50 unit, 60. Just simple stuff like that. But how long we in for? I'm gonna keep checking. Okay, like 15 minutes. But yeah, that's all I really want to show y'all. You can just download images. You could type in the keywords of what you want to see, and you get that image, right? You get that image. Like I said, Rhino, Hulk, boom, we got it. And then you can choose the different models how you want to see it. Like the crypto, like this right here. This is kind of like the crypto model, I guess you could say. You can do photo real, whatever you want to make. Use Leonardo AI. Next video, I'm gonna show y'all how I do these little edits like this and stuff. Cause this is really cool. I could do something with this video if I want to right now. Change like these transitions and stuff. Notice a little weak exit outro, but I just wanted to give it to y'all as real as I can. I'm not trying to do too much editing, talking, and chatting like extra. Well, I'm chatting right now, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Come back for more. Just let me know what y'all want to see down in the comments, because I could really do anything when it comes to like the affiliate marketing space or like video editing or just let me know. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get to work. We gonna get to chopping it. We gonna build this community big as we can. So hope y'all have a great day or night when you're seeing this. Peace out.